drifting and swerving, hitting them curves, cause I'm on my way to come get you. The way that you serve it, making me nervous.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're just going to be doing a protective style tutorial, and that protective style is butterfly locks, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do them. This right here is the hair that I use. I just used the Freetress Water Wave extra long hair. I end up having 7 packs, but I end up only using 6 packs. So these are my crochet needles right here. And then I have my edge control for my edges. And then I just have some beeswax that I did not end up using. Right here I just have the hair. I just separated it out the pack. And then I just crochet the crochet needle through the root of my hair first. And once I get the hair looped through the crochet needle, I just pull it through. And then once I pull it through, I just make sure it's even on both sides. This, when I first started, it kept getting stuck, but I finally got it unstuck. And then once you get it through, you want to separate the hair again by putting 4 pieces of the hair on one side and 2 of the hair with the braid. And then once you get it separated, you just start, twisting. I will be showing you guys more detail later on in the video. But once you get it twisted up, you just loop it back around and then you twist upwards. I hope that makes sense, but you guys will actually see what I'm talking about later on in the video. This is how the back look. I already finished both of the 2 in the bag. But this is what I was talking about after you get done twisting. I usually stop like a little bit below my hair, as you see right there. And then you just want to like flip it over while you create a little loop with your finger. And then once you flip it over again, that's when you release the loop and tighten it, and then you just keep twisting upward. I hope that makes sense for you guys, but I will be going slow later on in the video. I was like in the nick of time while doing this. But once you just keep twisting up. And then when you get to the root, you just want to, twist up. And then the extra hair you have, you just want to twist it back downward, as you can see me doing right here. But yes, I will see you guys later on when I get to the last hair. Hey you guys, I'm back, and if you made it this far, go ahead and follow me on my IG, click that subscribe button and click that thumbs up. But I promise you guys, I will be showing you guys an in-depth of how I actually do it on the last braid. I was actually in the nick of time doing this stuff. you guys, we're on the last braid. Right here, I'm just showing you guys that I have 3 strands of the hair that I took out the pack. Usually I just twist like part of it that I'm going to put into the crochet needle so it doesn't come undone. I already got the crochet needle in my hair. So you just want to place that inside the crochet needle, making sure that the crochet needle was open first. And then you're just going to close it, because you don't want the hair to get, caught up in your real hair. But then you're just going to pull it through, making sure that you keep your hand on one end. So when you do pull it through, you're not pulling through the end that you want to stay on that side. So you can see me just, working it back and forth, making sure I don't pull one end to the other side. And then this is where I'm taking one strand from one side and putting it over to the other side, creating 4 strands on that side and 2 on this side. The 2 strands that I have on this side, I just put it with the braid and then just twist it, as you guys can see me doing here. But yes, you just want to keep twisting. I usually just twist and make sure, it's tight. So if one of my locks does come loose, it will give that effect that it still looks like a lock. But as you can see here, I'm still twisting, and I'm going to show you guys where I usually stop. I usually just like to stop a little below where my hair or braid actually ends. And then when I do it, I just loop it around. This is the loop right here. You just want to loop it while keeping your hand still intact. And then you pull it tight. And then you loop it again. And then you pull it tight. And that's when you release the loop. And you just want to keep pulling tight to make sure that the ends are secured. And that's when you just start wrapping upwards. And then I'm wrapping a little slow to show you guys, and because I don't want any of my brown hair showing in the front. I did the same thing in the back, but it really didn't matter to me in the back. But this is how I'm going slow in the front. But once I get to the top, I just loop it around my arm roots. And then the rest of the hair, I just loop it back on downward, as you can see me doing here. And yes, you guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look. I'm gonna show you guys the back. It's a little gappy, but it's okay. It's okay. And now I just took 4 of the top locks and I just pulled it up. And yes, you guys, this is the finished look. After I just added a few more, touches to it, this is how it looks. And this is all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.